Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone's surviving well. So Warsun sent out another little light for me to take a look at. This is the G2 mini rechargeable portable light, and they sent it out to me kind of blindly. They asked me to take a look at it, kind of review it without really knowing too much about it, and especially outputs. I think they want our honest, unadulterated opinion on it, and most of it's in Chinese. But I do have this little instruction manual that we'll go over. So before we take a look at this, let's take a look at this. So it is, the brand is Warsun. The product number is G2. It is a LED. It's weighing in at 38 grams. It is a USB Type-C fast charging. I wasn't aware that flashlights had fast charging, but that's pretty cool if it does. Built-in lithium battery. Domestic waterproof. That's the waterproof rating. I'm not quite sure what domestic waterproof means. 4 gear switch. I imagine that means four modes. The better life is you use environmental decision. Not quite sure what that means. Material is ABS and is measuring out at 75 millimeters by 45 millimeters. Not quite sure how much it weighs. It says 45 grams on the back here, so gotta be that. So we have instructions for use, charging instructions, and some notes. And I love these notes. Do not directly irradiate the eyes to avoid damage to the eyes. Yes, I've irradiated my eyes a couple of times, and it does hurt. This machine is splash proof. Do not put it directly in water. Good advice. It is recommended to charge and discharge the battery at least once a month to maintain vitality. Man, that's good advice again, and that could probably be applied to many other things in life. And do not disassemble, or modify this product without permission to avoid damaging the product. Please wash, dry, and wipe in time when receiving corrosive liquid invasion. Interesting. So let's take a look at the light itself. So it is definitely a cob light. We do have a carabiner clip here. You can clip that to your keys or to your backpack. We have a bottle opener. Can't go anywhere without a bottle opener. And looks like some sort of mini wrench. A very important feature on back is the USB Type-C charging port, and we have a lighter, and that'd be great for your cigarettes if you still smoke, or other things. Maybe you could start some tinder, put some tinder on there and start a fire. And according to the directions, that stays on for a total of 10 seconds. So we have 4 modes, I believe. So we press once, comes in on high. I'll turn this light off just to give you a good idea. Comes in on high. We have low. We have a strobe warning. We have strobe. And then we have the red beacon. Now, one thing I would suggest to Warsun to give us a constant on red as well. Give us 5 modes. Give us a constant on red. That would make this perfect. And then we have off. So like I said, this is a very blind review. I don't know how much this is going to cost. I don't know how many lumens it outputs. I'm not even sure where you're going to be able to buy this. But it's a pretty neat little light. Seems solidly built. Has some nice options. Not quite sure if I really think that the wrench is a viable option, but everything else seems to be just fine. Now, they did send me 2 others and suggested that I use them in a giveaway, and I'm not going to do a dedicated giveaway, but I will give away these in the future in other giveaways. So I want to thank Warsun for sending these out for us to take a look at. They are pretty cool and pretty fun. And I want to thank you for stopping in, checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. And I hope you're having an amazing day. I'll see you next time.